Oh my God. I might need to turn the throttle down a touch. I don't know. I don't know yet.
Dude, I was able to do that in park throttle.
That wasn't smart. You know what I did? Watch him on that dirt bike, and then reach for my foot brake coming down right here. Cool. God. How the hell did that happen? Man. Ouch. Go, Dave. Man, I hung up on something. Look at my everything. Got my wheel crooked and everything. I'm okay. Dude, I went over the bar so bad going down.
I saw you picking it up.
I mean, like slam me face first. Okay. Something hung up on a stump, I guess. I dropped. Something hung up, man. It flipped me hard. That was crazy. I have no idea what happened. Little bars were tweaked and everything.
We were just about to go check on you.
Whew. I'd give you one of these. I need some help. I hit so hard my watch called SOS.
Did it really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Wow.
Yeah, that's fucking.
Hey, you can't park here.
I think I need to turn the throttle down a bit.